Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan, this is Machine Shop Classic Motors. Today we're going to be going over what we're doing with the 2F block. We're going to go ahead and blueprint it. Evan's going to kind of go through all the instruction on what we actually did to it in this episode, so I hope you enjoy. Evan, take it away.
So the first thing we're going to do on the CNC here is we're going to probe the block. So we're going to find a datum point off of the thrust surface on the main bearings, and that'll tell us right from there we'll get our zero measurement and measure out on the block. So the idea of that is you basically blueprint the block. You know your zero starting point, and you go out from there and you correct every imperfection from the factory. So after we find our datum point on the mains, we're going to align to the top of the block, and we're going to rough bore the cylinders. We're going to take them to 25 thousandths oversized because we're going to final hone it at 30 over. After we do that, rough bore to 25, we're going to then measure our deck height, and then we're going to resurface the deck and get us to exact spec that we need.
Cool, thanks Evan. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like this type of stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share the videos. It really helps us move on with the project and keep us motivated as well. So, cheers, and we'll see you in the video. you.